Have you ever found yourself in the middle of a crucial work presentation or a highly anticipated gaming session, only to be let down by sluggish internet speeds or random connection drops? In today's world, where everything from remote collaboration to weekend movie marathons depends on a stable connection, having a reliable, high-performance access point isn't just a luxury, it's practically essential. If you've been on the hunt for a networking solution that can handle your busiest days and your most data-intensive tasks, stay tuned. We're about to dive into the NETGEAR WBE750, a Wi-Fi 7 powerhouse designed to transform the way you experience the online world. And if your curiosity sparks before we're done, don't forget to check the description below for a direct link to Amazon, where you can explore all the details in one place. At the heart of the NETGEAR WBE750 lies an advanced tri-band Wi-Fi 7 technology, bridging the 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and newly expanded 6 GHz bands. If you've ever juggled multiple devices at once, maybe streaming an 8K nature documentary on the TV while downloading large files for work and keeping a virtual reality chat alive, you know how easily a lesser network can get overwhelmed. Here, the WBE750 steps up to the plate with a remarkable aggregate throughput of up to 18.4 gigabits per second. That's like having multiple wide-open highways reserved just for your data, ensuring that even the most demanding tasks can cruise along without hitting roadblocks. Imagine hosting an important video conference. You're streaming high-resolution video feeds from colleagues around the globe while simultaneously accessing a cloud-based project management tool. Under normal circumstances, you might brace yourself for frozen screens or delayed audio. But with the WBE750, those frustrating hiccups become far less common. It's specifically engineered to deliver smooth, lag-free performance, making your collaborations feel more like sitting in the same room rather than being separated by miles of distance. One major win for both businesses and serious home users is the 10G/multi-gigabit Power over Ethernet (PoE++ port. This single cable solution can supply both power and data, simplifying installation. No more hunting for extra electrical outlets or running separate cords, which can clutter up your workspace. Thanks to PoE++, you can mount the access point in the optimal spot, be that a high ceiling in a large lobby or a discrete wall location in your office, without worrying about complicated wiring. The WBE750 also supports up to 600 client devices, making it perfect for a growing business, a bustling household with countless smart home gadgets, or a tech-focused event where everyone's trying to stay online at once. Backward compatibility is the icing on the cake. Even though the WBE750 takes advantage of the latest Wi-Fi 7 advances, it remains fully accessible to older devices running on Wi-Fi 4, 5, or 6. That means you won't have to overhaul every gadget in your space just to enjoy the performance benefits of this new standard. It's like upgrading to a sports car but still having room in your garage for the reliable family SUV. You get the best of both worlds. If you're finding this overview helpful and want to stay in the loop on more game-changing tech insights, tap that like button and subscribe to our channel. We regularly explore tools that can give your productivity and entertainment experiences a massive boost, and we'd love to have you along for the ride. And if the NETGEAR WBE750 is already catching your eye, you can jump straight to the Amazon link in the description below for a closer look. Of course, raw power isn't everything. Sometimes you just need an access point that blends into your environment without shouting for attention. The NETGEAR WBE750 is designed with a sleek, unobtrusive form factor, measuring a compact 172 by 172 by 44 millimeters and weighing just under a kilogram. Think about a modern office lobby or a minimalist home interior. Nobody wants a bulky piece of networking gear spoiling the aesthetic. With its relatively small footprint, the WBE750 can be wall-mounted or ceiling-mounted to stay out of the way, all while delivering strong coverage where you need it most. Its PoE++ capability means you have the freedom to install it in spots that might otherwise be inconvenient or out of reach if you had to rely on traditional power outlets. Whether you're setting it up in a large open-plan office or an expansive living space, that flexibility can make a world of difference. With support for up to 8 distinct SIDs, you can tailor separate networks for guests, employees, or even different segments of your household. For instance, you can create a dedicated network for work devices, another for high-priority tasks like 8K streaming, and maybe a third for casual browsing. Each SSID can be uniquely configured to meet specific security or performance requirements. The tri-band configuration also enables strategic allocation of resources. Maybe you'd assign mission-critical tasks, like file transfers or real-time collaboration software, to the less congested 6 GHz band. Meanwhile, the 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz bands can be left open for general internet use, ensuring nobody in your home or office complains about slow speeds during a Netflix binge or a midday gaming session. After you've set up your WBE750, the last thing you want is a complicated process for daily management. Here's where the NETGEAR Insight Cloud platform comes in handy. You can log in from anywhere, at any time, to keep tabs on network performance, troubleshoot issues, or tweak settings. This is especially useful for IT administrators who have to oversee multiple locations, but it's equally beneficial for small business owners who prefer a more hands-on approach to their network. Gone are the days of physically plugging in a computer every time you need to adjust the Wi-Fi password or change some security options. And speaking of security, the WBE750 is built with modern threats in mind. WPA3 encryption sets the tone for robust protection, making it tougher for unauthorized users to infiltrate your network. Need an extra layer? You can enable MAC address filtering or 802.1x radius for enterprise-grade safeguards. Plus, if you have guests or temporary users, you can set them up on a separate network with a captive portal, perfect for a hotel lobby or a co-working space. This way, guests stay connected without posing a risk to your primary network, and you maintain control over who has access. VLAN support is another standout feature, allowing you to slice up your network into different segments. This can be invaluable for businesses that want to keep sensitive data isolated from casual user traffic, or even for homeowners who like to keep smart home devices segregated from personal laptops. Think of it as having distinct lanes on a highway. Everyone gets to travel smoothly, and there's less chance of a congestion-induced pileup. In a world where reliable connectivity isn't just a convenience but a necessity, the NETGEAR WBE750 stands out as a forward-thinking access point engineered to handle the toughest demands of modern life. It merges blazing speeds, tri-band Wi-Fi 7 performance, PO++ installation ease, flexible SSID management, and robust security features into one comprehensive package. Whether you're looking to future-proof a busy office environment, level up your family's home network, or seamlessly power all your smart devices without missing a beat, this device is poised to meet your expectations, and then some. If you're ready to experience high-speed, stable connectivity that keeps pace with your ever-growing digital needs, now's the perfect moment to act. Click the link in the description to find the NETGEAR WBE750 on Amazon and see what other users are saying. And hey, if you found this deep dive enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you won't miss our upcoming breakdown of the NETGEAR Nighthawk M6 Pro. Who knows, you might just discover yet another way to supercharge your network. Here's to a future filled with faster downloads, smoother streaming, and frustration-free online experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.